break is a keyword in C which is used to bring the program control out of the loop. Okay. To make the program out of the loop by using break statement. The break statement is used to the break statement is used inside the loop or switch statement. The break statement break the loop one by one. That is, in the case of nested loop, it break the inner loop first and then proceed the outer loop. The break statement in C can be used in the following two scenarios. Okay, so first of all, the break statement is used to break the looping if the specified condition has been. So here we define a program which is printing you from 0 to 9. But now we are giving a condition when your value is 5. When your value is 5, at that timing it is break the statement.
तामाने 1 रो ने की अप टू 5 जतळे पहुंचबो सेतळे को ब्रेक हे जिवो आ आगो को जिवो
हां सेडी ब्रेक है.
सर आउट हम केमति करथिले जो सपोज 1 नो ने की 10 जाय में प्रिंट करिवा किंतु मझिरा हमको सपोज 5 की 6 को शो करियार नै माने 5 की 6 को छाडी दे की बाकी सब गुडा प्रिंट करे सेथरे हम को जिंसडा यूज करथिले
कंटिन्यू. So when your value is 5, please break the loop here. बुझला? The continue statement in C language is used to bring the program control begin. Here the example is
कले बोली सेति में पाइप स्किप हला
yes continue is used to skipping the particular element
बट कंटिन्यू ऊपर को से जो i प्लस प्लस अछि माने i इक्वल्स टू माने i प्लस 1 जो सेटा काहे कि रहला
I value ta incremental as 6 if I is equals to 6 then it is increment the 6 value then continue so continue means it is skip that element the skip पर पुनी continue कला तारा element 6 पर to continue कला बुझला so again I repeat this one just function is a block of code that perform the specific tags suppose you need to create a program to a circle so you have to create a two function it create a circle function and create a color function so it is breaking the complex program into a smaller part okay and by defining the function it is helping you that which work you need at the specific timing you call that particular function so there are two type of function we are using one is standard library function another is user defined function standard library function which is called as the predefined function user defined function means that you have to define the standard library function is already defined in the C programming language which is predefined the standard library function are called as a built-in function in C programming language the printf is a standard library function to send the formatted output square root function it is calculate the square of a number so that is also predefined then user defined function is what the function that a user is defined according to their requirement or if you have a complex tags and if you want to break your tags into a smaller chunks or smaller part user defined function is used for defining a user defined function first we define a return type then function name with parameter return type function name and parameter then for calling a function we are using with the function okay बुझेला तार प्रोग्राम टा हम नेक्स्ट क्लास रे देखिबा ओके खाली देखिबा
सर गोटे डाउट थिला से जो स्टार्टिंग रे में जो मेंशन करने #include stdio.h सेमती आउ गोटे थिला ना stdlib.h
stdlib भी किछि नै हमें यूज करिने परंतु
से जिंसटा माने माने सेटा कोन माने सेटा